Pwede po bang matanong si Consil Dalangin? Dito po sa report sa akin, kayo po lang ang nag-reject o umayaw dun sa idea o proposal na baguhin yung use ng public plaza ng Bawan, Batangas. Totoo po ba ito?
Yes po, Mr. Honor.
Pwede ko po bang malaman ano po yung dahilan ninyo? Bakit kayo umaayaw dun sa proposal?
Mr. Chair, being honest po, that time po kasi ay wala din po kaming munisipyo noon. I mean, giba din po. So, yung thought po na mawawala din po ang plaza. Kaya po, hindi po talaga po ako noon.
So, wala na po kayong munisipyo, wala pa kayong plaza.
That time po.
Opo. Sangguniang Bayan Secretary.
Yes.
Ano po ang dahilan? Bakit giniba ninyo yung munisipyo po ninyo?
Actually po yun ay nagpagawa po ng bagong munisipyong mas malaki. Same. Pero kumuha rin naman po kami ng clearance sa National Historical Commission. Kaya po na-preserve yung passage ng dating munisipyo.
Now, saan po nanggaling yung pera na pinagpagawa ninyo ng inyong munisipyo?
Actually, nag-loan po kami sa DBP.
Totoo ba yun o disapprove yung loan ninyo?
Previously, hindi kagad kami...
Sagutin mo ako, Iho. Kasi dito sa research na nangyari, nandito sa data ko, alam ko na nag-loan kayo sa DBP for 150 million. Tama. Pero disapprove. Why? Because you lack the seal of good housekeeping and other requirements. Yun po yung research dito eh. So, saan nyo kinuha yung pera na pinagpagawa nyo ng munisipyo?
Actually po yun ay na-approve din kasi kami ay naging awardee na rin po ng Seal of Good SLG.
Kailan kayo
SGLG.
nag-take ng loan sa DBP?
Hindi ko po matandaan yung date.
Kailan na-approve yung loan ninyo na sinasabi mo kung totoo man yun? Remember that you are under oath. Pag mapatunayan ko na hindi ka nagsasabi, ikukulong kita.
Narito pa aming municipal accountant, mas alam po niya yung record regarding our financial statement.
Ay,
financial record.
kayo po ang tinatanong ko eh.
Alam ko po yun ay na-approve. Yung exact date lamang po ang hindi ko maalala.
Yung accountant?
Your Honor, wait, pwede ka pong, chine-check ko lang po yung record ko pa. Kung ano.
COA, did you look into this also? No.
No, Your Honor. We just focused on the issues forwarded to the fraud audit team, Your Honor.
Kasi, according to the information that I have, Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, nung hindi na-approve yung loan, first loan nyo, doon kayo pumunta sa COMNET.
No po, Your Honor.
No. No.
Yes po, kasi previously nga po hindi na-approve pero after ng ma-comply namin yung requirements ay na-approve din po yan later. Later dates nga lang po kaya medyo nagtagal na hindi napatigil ang paggagawa.
Okay. Thank you. can you, SB, can you provide this committee yung agreement between COMNET and the local government unit of Bawan, Batangas regarding yung use ng kwan ng yung list ninyo sa pag-list ninyo ng public plaza?
Okay po. Ipoprovide po namin.
Yes. I do not know if kwan. Now, Madam Kowa, you conducted a fraud audit doon po sa water system ng Bawan, tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano po ang current status ng inyong fraud audit na yun? Tapos na po ba?
Tapos na po, Your Honor, also in 2017 po.
Now, were there laws violated?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po ang ginawa ng COA regarding this one? Were cases filed against those responsible?
We issued, of course, the notice of disallowance, indicating all the persons responsible. At the same time, we forwarded the fraud audit report to the Office of the Ombudsman for the filing of appropriate charges on which was received. The report on the Bawan Waterworks System audit was received by the Office of the Ombudsman on December 20 po, 2017.
2017.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, na-file pala yung report ng kwan ng 2017, yung water system. Now, regarding po dito sa Bawan Plaza, you also conducted a fraud audit, tama po?
Tama po.
Natapos nyo rin po lahat.
Natapos po rin namin noong May 25, 2017 yung fraud audit report and was forwarded to the Office of the Ombudsman and received by the Office of the Ombudsman on July 20, 2017 po.
Mr. Chair, since cases were filed insofar as the issue of the Bawan Water Station and the Bawan Plaza were already filed with the Ombudsman, may I move that we write a letter to the Ombudsman asking ano po yung current status ng mga kaso kung meron man na i-file tungkol dito po sa report ng COA regarding these two issues. So,
Second,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.